So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Micromax in 1A. The Micromax in 1A will come with MediaTek Helio G35, 5000 mAh battery, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, Android 10 support, 6.5-inch HD plus display. There are 3 color variants of Micromax in 1A: blue color, black color and white color. There are 2 storage variants of Micromax in 1A: 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage. This is the front side of Micromax in 1A. This is the back side of Micromax in 1A. The launch date of Micromax in 1A is on 3rd November 2020. In my opinion, the expected price of Micromax in 1A will be below 8,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.